Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
What coal, which we all know, is already coming to Goa to almost 10 to 12 metric tons per annum, which at this moment cannot be stopped. As the MPTs, almost 22,000 pensioners are getting their pension on the MPT functioning. Plus, there are 1,750 people who are already working in MPT as of today. They also develop the person, not developing nation. It has to be one day or someday a developed state. It has to be. There are no two thoughts. And when having this mind, then we as the government of Goa is connected to the development of this nation. I have made a very clear statement. I mean, statement clear colors on behalf of the government of Goa and on behalf of the Chief Minister of the state, where we are working, and you will see the progress. Officially, Honorable Chief Minister will also give statement in the next 7 to 10 days. He is concerned, and he will get an official letter from the ministry or wherever.
Before 17 election जायच्या पयलीं काम स्टार्ट जाल्लें डबल ट्रॅकाचें. सो लोकांक कोणें ओपोज करूं ना. चांदोर गिरजोन उलयता तेन्ना कोणें ओपोज करूं ना आनी लोक हॅप्पी जाल्ले डबल ट्रॅकींग. लोकां आमकां बेगीन पावता म्हूण. सो आतां लोक बेजार जालो हालीं कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टा लागून. कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक डबल लायन येता डबल ट्रॅकींग जाता म्हूण. आख्या सावथ गोवा हाजी मिटींग सगळी काल MLA काल आमी CMा बरें बसून मिटींग घेतली आनी आमचो एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर निलेश बाबू आसलो आनी आमी CMाक प्रश्न केले आनी CMान आमी फूल एश्युरन्स दिला त्यात कोल आस तितलो पयलीं जो 47 आसून येतालो तितलो येतो मार एक एक्स्ट्रा येवपा ना.